Back into Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather, and all in all, not a bad day today. Lots of clouds, no precipitation to speak of. Temperatures a little chilly, and we're looking at that pattern to continue, although more sun should be coming our way tomorrow into the weekend. Our photograph tonight sent in by Dave and Buddy Nestor, I should say. A ring of gold. That's again a beautiful shot there. As you can see here, we're looking at beautiful colors there, the trees and along the river, the Chena River. If you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Well, what's going on as far as out the airport right now? 39 degrees after a high of 40. The low last night, 27 degrees. 73, the record high in 1995. 12 degrees for the 1939 record. And sunrise this morning was at 7:30. Sunset will be almost 8 o'clock this evening, giving us 6.5 hours of daylight. Or I should say 12 hours and 28 minutes of daylight, a 6.5 minute loss from yesterday. Here's our satellite picture and radar. A look at the rain moving across southeast Alaska, all because of this area of low pressure, but nothing going on across the interior. All the showers are being pushed off to the east. That's good news. Elsewhere across the rest of the state, as you can see here, we're looking at lots of rain over southeast Alaska. Some mixed rain and snow around the Fort Yukon area, and just snow at Barrow, 30 degrees there. Cloudy to sunshine elsewhere across the rest of the state. Lower 48 weather, again looking at maybe some rain moving in over the Pacific Northwest once again, and rain and thunderstorms around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Thunderstorms rumbling over the southeast. On the satellite and radar, you can see all the energy moving across Texas. It could bring some flooding problems. A real good frontal boundary developing across the central plains of the Missouri Valley there, and things are clearing out across the Pacific Northwest. The jet stream, once again, showing lots of warm air, again pushing up from the south, less humid across Texas, but more humid and more showers expected over the deep south over the next couple days. And for tomorrow, it looks like lots of widespread drenching storms across much of Texas. So wet weather ahead for those folks there. Lower 48 weather out of the way. We'll talk about Alaska now. An inch of snow expected at Barrow, cloudy in Nome, rain and snow at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, sunny to mostly cloudy skies at Healy, Delta, and Fairbanks. While over southeast Alaska, lots of rain expected there across the region, and a high wind warning in for the Ketchikan area. Over southwest Alaska, showers in Cold Bay becoming sunny in Kodiak, mostly cloudy skies for Bethel, while over south central regions, decreasing clouds for Anchorage and Homer, mostly sunny skies at Valdez. Once again, time for our kids' weather. All this week we've been talking with the kids from Hunter Elementary School. Tonight, let's talk to the teacher.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Kirschmeyer, and this is my 5th grade class here at Hunter Elementary School, and we have this weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that the coldest temperature ever recorded in the world was in Antarctica on July 21st, 1983? The thermometer bottomed out at 128 degrees below zero.
And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. Next week, we'll visit with the kids from Tuckasegg Brown Elementary School. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Mostly cloudy early, then clearing by morning, 26 degrees. Pretty chilly overnight. Tomorrow's forecast, partly cloudy and cooler with light winds, about 40 degrees for the high temperature. And the extended forecast, as you can see here, temperatures pretty consistent all the way across the board. For daytime highs, right around the mid-40s, a little cooler. Overnight lows, 25 to 28 degrees, then warming up slowly to the above 30-degree category, which you'd like to see, and no precipitation expected for the next 5 days. So any chores you got to get done, like I do, you have time to get them done at least for a week.